Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today in the kitchen with 3 fat-burning, festive-themed smoothies to keep you on track this season. So let's get into it. First up, we have a gingerbread smoothie. Super delicious, super yummy. I have 2 frozen bananas, all right? I buy them fresh and then let them get really ripe, and then I put them in the freezer when they're ready. The more ripe your banana, the easier it is on your digestion, all right? Then we have 1 cup of unsweetened cashew milk, all right? If you don't have cashew or don't want to use cashew, you can use oat milk, almond milk, any plant-based milk will do, all right? Then I have 12 soaked cashews, all right? You can soak these overnight or just for a few hours. I have 12 soaked cashews. Go ahead, drain the water. All right, awesome, and then just use those cashews. In you go, wonderful. Next, I have a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. In we go, very good. Next, a teaspoon of maple syrup. Boom. And then a 1/4 cup or a 1/3 cup if you want a little bit more of Greek yogurt, all right? So great with protein, probiotics. I eat Greek yogurt or drink it every single day. And last but not least, we have about 1 inch of fresh ginger, all right? If you don't know what 1 inch is, you bend your finger like that, and this area right here is 1 inch of ginger. In we go. And now, just to blend. All right, make sure it's all blended through, nice and creamy. If you want it a little bit colder and the 2 frozen bananas didn't do it for you, you can always add more ice. All right, but usually using frozen fruit will do the trick. If you want it thicker, ice, all that good stuff, pour. Ooh, look at that. And enjoy. Oh yeah, definitely. All right, moving on. Alrighty, smoothie number 2, we have a peppermint smoothie, all right? So 2 frozen bananas, about 1/2 cup or a full cup of spinach. I use a full cup because I love spinach. It's really great in nutrients, especially iron, all right? If you have any iron deficiencies, I recommend eating spinach every single day. All right, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Again, you can use oat milk or hemp milk or coconut milk. But for this one, we're using almond. And then we have 15 to 20 mint leaves. Mint leaves right there, very good. Push them in. 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. I love hemp seeds. I eat those every day, really packed with omegas and protein. They're little but powerful. Then we have 1 teaspoon of spirulina. If you don't have spirulina, you can go ahead and use a green powder. We have our very own green powder. It's called Mega Greens. If you don't know what to get, I highly suggest our Mega Greens. You can buy it online, link below. All right, and there we have it. Time to blend. Look at that beautiful green color. All right, rich with nutrients. Smells amazing because of the mint. That's what gives it that little kick, all right? And we have a topping for this one that's optional. All right, so go ahead, pour it in your favorite glass, little festive glass if you have it. And then to make it like a peppermint chocolate, you can go ahead and sprinkle the top with some cacao nibs. All right, cacao is the purest form of chocolate and so very healthy for you. I love adding it to the smoothie. It's fun to chew afterwards. All right, and there we have it, our peppermint smoothie. This one might be my favorite, but we'll see. We have one more to go. Let's do it. Last but certainly not least, we have a cranberry smoothie. All right, this time we're just gonna use 1 frozen banana. All right, and now we have a 1/3 cup of cranberries. If you can't find cranberries, like me, I went to 2 different grocery stores and could not find fresh or frozen cranberries, you can use frozen cherries instead, all right? Similar in color, similar in taste, nutrients, great source of fiber, all right? Great source of fiber here and vitamin C. In they go. Now we have 1 cup of coconut milk. 1 tablespoon of honey, love honey. Boom, beautiful, in we go. Make sure we get everything. Maybe use a spoon so you don't make a mess like me. 1 date, all right, but make sure you take out the pit. Anytime you cook or use dates, always make sure you get the pit out, all right, because we don't want to be chewing on that. And then last but not least, we have a teaspoon of goji berry powder, all right? This is really great in antioxidants. In we go, beautiful, and blend. Make sure you scoop up that honey. If it gets stuck on the side of your cup, no big deal. I put a little bit more of more than 1 tablespoon because I knew that might happen, and like I said, I just love honey. All right. Pour. Look at that beautiful color. Oh my goodness. And let's go. Oh my goodness, all 3 amazing. And there we have it, 3 fat-burning festive smoothies. We have our gingerbread, we have our peppermint smoothie, and then our cranberry or cherry smoothie. Now, these are more of snacks or even a little dessert because they just taste so sweet and delicious. If you want to make it a meal, make sure you add some protein powder, all right? I recommend vanilla for these 2, for the gingerbread and the cranberry, and then maybe a little chocolate for the peppermint if you want to make it like a chocolate mint smoothie, or go ahead and use some vanilla, all right? And there we have it. Go ahead, give it a try. Let me know which one's your favorite, and I hope to see you on the next one. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.